Okay, what is up, guys? We're gonna be doing Garden Warfare 2 pack opening today, you know? Got 700,000 coins, you know? And let's do it. First pack. Oh, we got an astronaut. Okay. Next. 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 What is this? Power chopper, okay. Oh, okay, new Captain Deadbeard. Oh, and a piece of an alien flower, okay. So I think I'm gonna quit the phenomenal character pack, so we're gonna move to this pack. Oh, we got a legendary piece. We could give me the rest of that legendary piece. Freak, okay. We'll get it eventually, boys. We just gotta believe. Ooh, big piece of Super Commando. I like that guy. Okay. Oh my god. That is just amazing, okay. Wow, we didn't even get a character piece that time. That sucks. Okay. Okay. Give me something good. Should I finish off with a phenomenal character pack? Let's finish off with a phenomenal character pack. Oh, a sunflower. Oh, and a piece of Druid Rose. Oh, okay. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. And we may try out a bunch of these characters.